Hello, wealth seekers. Have you ever wondered what it takes to achieve true financial freedom? To live life on your own terms, without constraints? If yes, you're in the right place. Welcome to Money Mantra, where we'll unlock 8 top secrets to potentially getting rich sooner. But first, what's stopping you from reaching your financial goals? Lack of knowledge, discipline, or fear of risk? Whatever it may be, we'll provide the tools and strategies to break through those barriers. Get ready to take notes. Secret number 1, define your financial goals. The first and perhaps most crucial secret to getting rich sooner is to establish clear and specific financial goals. What does rich truly mean to you? Is it a specific net worth figure that you aspire to attain? Is it the ability to retire early and enjoy a life of leisure? Or is it the freedom to pursue your passions without financial constraints? Take the time to define your goals and envision your desired lifestyle in vivid detail, answering questions like when you want to retire, what major purchases or experiences you aspire to have, how you plan to pass on your wealth to future generations, and what your ideal retirement lifestyle looks like will help you map out a realistic and personalized path to achieving your definition of rich. Without a clear target, it's easy to get sidetracked or lose motivation along the way. Secret number 2. Deal with debt strategically. High-interest debt can hinder wealth building, so tackle it strategically. Identify and prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, like credit cards or personal loans. This debt avalanche approach saves more money long-term than spreading payments across multiple debts. Once high-interest debts are eliminated, redirect those funds towards investing or paying off lower-interest debts like mortgages. Prioritizing costlier debts frees up cash flow to accelerate wealth accumulation. By systematically eliminating debt burdens, you'll have more resources available to grow your net worth and achieve financial goals faster. Secret number 3, build an emergency fund. Unexpected events can derail financial plans, so creating a robust emergency fund is crucial. This rainy day fund should consist of readily available cash in low-risk savings accounts or money market funds. Financial experts recommend saving at least 6 months' worth of living expenses, but depending on your circumstances and risk tolerance, aim for a larger cushion, like a year's expenses or more. A well-funded emergency fund protects you from taking on high-interest debt during financial stresses like job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen expenses. It ensures you stay on track towards wealth-building goals without setbacks. An adequate emergency fund acts as a safety net, allowing you to weather storms without compromising your financial progress. Secret number 4, start investing early. Start investing early to harness the power of compound interest and grow your wealth faster than traditional savings methods. Consider opening an online trading account or seeking guidance from a financial advisor if new to investing. Historically, the stock market has outperformed other asset classes over the long run, offering higher potential returns, but understand the risks involved. Diversify your portfolio across sectors and asset classes to mitigate risks. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound and grow exponentially. Even modest investments in your 20s or 30s can snowball into substantial wealth by retirement age. While investing carries risks, starting early and letting compounding work its magic is a powerful secret to building wealth sooner rather than later. Secret number 5, diversify your portfolio. The 5th secret is to diversify your investment portfolio effectively. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash, you can mitigate risk and smooth out market fluctuations. Diversification is a crucial principle in investing, as it helps to protect your portfolio from the volatility of any single asset class or market sector. As you get closer to your financial goals and approach retirement age, consider shifting a larger portion of your portfolio towards less risky assets, such as bonds or fixed income investments. This strategic asset allocation can help preserve the wealth you've already built while still providing opportunities for growth. Also, consider diversifying your investments across different industries, sectors, and geographic regions. This can help insulate your portfolio from localized economic downturns or industry-specific risks. Secret number 6. Boost your income. Boosting your income is a powerful way to accelerate wealth building. The more you earn, the faster you can grow your investment portfolio. Advance in your current career by taking on more responsibilities, seeking promotions, or negotiating higher pay based on achievements. If growth opportunities are limited, consider a career change or higher paying job that better utilizes your skills. Enhance your marketability through additional education, certifications, or training. Beyond your primary job, start a side business or freelance to create multiple income streams. These side hustles can significantly boost your savings and investments. The additional income can potentially shave years off your journey to financial freedom. By actively increasing your earnings through various means, you'll have more funds available to invest and compound your wealth over time. Secret number 7. Consider FIRE tactics. The 7th secret is to explore the principles of the financial independence retire early FIRE movement. FIRE followers aim to maximize their savings and investment rates by cutting expenses to the bare minimum and living a frugal lifestyle. While the extreme approach of minimalism may not be suitable for everyone, principles like the Rule of 25 can provide valuable guidance in accelerating your path to financial independence. The Rule of 25 suggests that individuals should save 25 times their annual expenses before retiring early. For example, if your annual expenses are $40,000, you would need to build up a nest egg of $1 million, 25x $40,000, to potentially retire comfortably. By embracing some FIRE principles, such as minimizing unnecessary expenses, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and maximizing your savings rate, you can potentially reach your financial goals much sooner than the traditional retirement age. Secret number 8. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. The 8th and final secret is to avoid get-rich-quick schemes at all costs. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and there are no shortcuts or sure things that can guarantee overnight riches. Anyone promising quick and effortless wealth is likely trying to defraud you or sell you a scheme that is too good to be true. Stick to a well-executed plan, have patience, and let compound interest work its magic over time. Slow and steady wins the race when it comes to sustainable wealth building. Be wary of investment opportunities that promise unrealistic returns or require you to get in now before it's too late. These are often red flags for scams or high-risk ventures that could potentially wipe out your hard-earned savings. There you have it, wealth seekers, 8 powerful secrets to potentially get rich sooner. Remember, the journey towards financial freedom requires discipline, patience, and a strategic approach. Define your goals, tackle debt, build an emergency fund, start investing early, diversify your portfolio, boost your income, consider FIRE tactics, and steer clear of get-rich-quick schemes. If you're inspired by watching this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Mantra for more wealth-building journeys.